Upbeat music fades in. Show animated stock charts rising and falling dramatically. It's hard to imagine markets without market makers, those companies that provide essential liquidity. Without them, trading would crawl at a snail's pace, creating a playground for manipulations where prices soar and crash for no good reason. Mind-blowing, right? Injecting liquidity into a dry market well, making trades flow smoothly. But even market makers can't fully shield Forex from flash accidents. Think the Japanese yen or Swiss franc. They've faced wild swings in the past 5 years. Luckily, these events are rare, all thanks to liquidity providers keeping things stable. Transition. Show split screen of buy, sell prices with a gap highlighting the spread. Market makers profit from the spread, the difference between buying and selling prices. They're not thrilled during long consolidations with low volumes. But when prices break out to new highs or lows, hitting stop orders or pending ones, that's when they rub their hands in glee. Pause for emphasis. Show emoji-like animation of hands rubbing. So, how can you, as a regular trader, use this? Pay attention to long periods of weak activity, narrow ranges and low volumes. Then, watch volumes spike and spreads widen when breaking out or nearing take-profit stop-loss levels. That's your clue for short-term price direction. Build excitement. Animated strategy flowchart appearing on screen. Build your strategy around this. Market makers stimulate action, and volumes act weird outside consolidations. Trade with understanding, not blind signals. Stay smart, trade fearless. Call to action text on screen. Subscribe for more trading insights. Like and comment below.